Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G23, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this Motorola. First of all, you need to locate an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Now select Clean at the bottom left corner of it and tap on Clean under Junk Files. In order to continue, you need to select Clear in this pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my Motorola was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!